It's almost Christmas. Oh my God. I am looking forward to it because
Wait a minute.
why are you looking forward to Christmas? Are you tired so that you can rest, relax, and do nothing
I don't think so.
and not be called here and there? Sis, is that why you're looking forward to Christmas?
I don't know yet.
I'm not looking forward to Christmas because of that. I'm not looking forward to Christmas because I am tired. But sis, I was tired, sluggish, and burnt out last year. And sis, a lot of you, a lot of women out there are still tired, sluggish, and burnt out year after year after year. And they look forward to Christmas. Drink a lot, eat a lot, do whatever they want to do, and then come January to November or October, they are pushing so hard. Says, is that one of the reasons you're looking forward to Christmas? The reasons why you're feeling tired, sluggish, and burnout in December, especially December, is because, by the way, my name is Titilayo. I'm an expert in fitness and wellness coach.
Wait, hold on. Back it up.
By the way, my name is Titilayo. I'm a fitness and by the way, my name is Titilayo. I'm a fitness and wellness coach, and I work with high-achieving women to bring ease and balance into their life through fitness, mindset routines, and wellness structures that they can incorporate into their life for that ease and balance, success overnight. Now, let's get into the video. So, the reasons why you're feeling tired and sluggish and burnt out and looking so much well into December to rest is because, sis, firstly, you've pushed way too much. And I'm just going to give a short story of myself because I was there last year, Christmas. So, from like January to October, I was pushing so hard. So this was like last year before Christmas. I was pushing so hard, going after my dreams, going after my visions, pushing, trying to make my money, trying to make myself happy, trying to make my family happy, trying to make my visions come to life, trying to be there for people. I did everything. And then even when I went on holiday, I was like, okay, I hope this holiday will last long. And then boom, 2 weeks went by, holiday was over, I'm back to pushing and pushing and pushing. And then secretly, I was just looking forward to Christmas. I just want to crash. I just don't want to do anything. And then this idea popped into my head. This way of pushing and pushing and pushing is not sustainable. Why don't you look for another way? And I started thinking of another way. And this beautiful idea that I love, that I'm so passionate about, came into my mind. I said, oh my God, why have I not been doing that? I need to go back into that. And so very quickly, I did the plan, did everything, and I thought, we are going to do this. And November, December came. I thought I was tired, but I'm going to try and push through this idea into the world by January so that by next year, December, I'm not feeling the same. And that's what I did. I pushed this idea into the world and I was ready to serve my women. I was ready to be of service. And guess what happened? I started pushing again.
Oh my God.
I pushed for so long, for 6 months. And I realized, Titilayo, you did it again. You're pushing and pushing and pushing. You need to stop. Otherwise, you're rewriting the past. And that was when I stopped. And I took a break. And I knew something had to give because I will get to December again and feel like I had done nothing and I just need a break. Sis, let me tell you the main reason why you feel tired, sluggish, and totally burnt out and looking for a whole good break, especially in the month of December, is, sis, you've been pushing your body way too long and you've forgotten about your spirit. And I would say you've been working with your mind as well, but you've forgotten about the main source. Sis, you cannot keep working with the body alone and expect it to give you the results that you want, because your desires actually comes from the originator. It comes from God. It comes from the source. Now, a lot of you are going to say, oh yeah, I pray, I meditate, I do all of those things. Sis, that's not just it. You need to literally move along with God every time. You need to move along with the source, along with your creator every time. And this is why mindset coaching is so important, because as women, it's not like we are lazy. It's not like we just need a break. We have so much energy in us. We are like a machine who can go to any extreme or limit for our loved ones, for our desires, our dreams. But when we keep pushing forward, sis, you are working with the masculine energy. What the masculine energy does is just push you to do and burn out and crash. But if you don't work with the feminine energy is there to guide and lead you. But a lot of us as women, we work solely with the masculine energy because we want to prove, because we want to show, because we want to act as if. Sis, you don't need to act as if. You are all. You are enough. What you need is to let your feminine energy and masculine energy marry each other and work together. Because when you do this, sis, all this pushing will be minimized. You would work a little bit and achieve a lot of results. And this is one of the reasons, again, why mindset coaching is so important. Sis, one of the reasons why a lot of people feel tired and sluggish in December is because they do not create the time and space to nurture their mind. They do not create the time and space to look at what is working, what is not working, how to get guidance, and how to be led rather than doing, rather than seeing what other people are doing and going out to do the same. Sis, no, it doesn't work that way. You need to own on onto your feminine energy and let the masculine energy do the work. If you keep allowing the masculine energy to lead, sis, you're gonna keep going round and round in circles. And that is one of the main reasons why you feel tired and sluggish. And this is what I do. In my Grow and Train with Me program, I help you create that time and space to nurture your mind so that you are not just training your body, you're also training your mind. You also creating space to bring your vision into life. And with my Grow and Train with Me program, we create structure whereby you are doing less at the gym, you are eating well for your goals, for your dream, for your body, and you are able to have that space to listen to your feminine energy, to allow your feminine energy to lead you and bring you towards the light. Says that is one of the main reasons. And sis, if you just take a pause, take a minute, even if you're not going to join my coaching program, sis, even if it's just 1 hour a day, spend that time on a daily basis, even if it's just 3 to 5 times a week. Spend that hour on a daily basis to nurture your mind, to allow your feminine energy to lead and let the masculine energy do the work. If you do that on a weekly basis, you will get to December without feeling tired. You will be so full of energy. You will be so full of strategies. You will be so full of ideas to bring into the new year. So sis, if you want to learn more about how to reset your energy, how to reset your mind so that you can stop feeling tired and going through the circle of stop and start, you want to join my next masterclass coming to you very soon in mid-January. All right. Do not forget to subscribe and share this with another sister. Bye for now. Oh my God! Christmas! In 4 weeks' time! Oh, thank God it's December. Oh, I really, really need that break. You really, really need that break, don't you? Because you were so tired. I am so tired. We need that break. Oh my God, now I can relax. Now I can be myself. Are you looking forward to Christmas? Oh yeah, sure you are. And are you feeling tired because everyone around us is feeling tired? A lot of us feel tired, sluggish, and burnout. That's my favorite one. Burnt out. Yes, we are burnt out. Is it burnt out? We are burnt out. Sis, we're spoiling the grammar. Anyway, yes, we are burnt out. Ah, burnt out, burnt out. Anyway, let's get into the gist. Sis, the reason why you are feeling tired, sluggish, and burnt out is because you are overdoing it. That's right. By the way, my name is Titilayo. I'm a fitness and wellness coach. I'm an expert, you know. By the way, my name is Titilayo. I'm a fitness and by the way, my name is Titilayo, an expert in fitness and wellness for high-achieving women. I'm going to tell you the reasons why you feel tired, sluggish, and burnout. Let's get into the video.